In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Blender not opening on Windows. If Blender won't launch on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, follow along and we'll walk through a few reliable fixes step by step. First, try a quick compatibility and permissions tweak. Right-click the Blender icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, then choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 8 from the dropdown. While you're here, also check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. This forces Blender to use settings that can avoid launch conflicts and gives it the permissions it needs. Try opening Blender again. If it still doesn't start, let's move on. Next, use Windows built-in Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Open the Windows search bar, type Troubleshoot Settings, and open it. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down until you see Program Compatibility Troubleshooter, select it, and run it. Windows will scan for installed programs. When the list appears, click Blender to highlight it, then click Next. The troubleshooter will detect common issues and apply fixes automatically. When it's done, try launching Blender once more. If Blender still won't open, we'll adjust a Windows service that sometimes impacts app launches. Open the Windows search bar again and type Services, then open the Services app. Click any entry in the list and press the W key to jump down to entries starting with W. Find Windows License Manager Service. Right-click it and choose Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Stop to stop the service if it's running. Click Apply, then click Start to start it fresh. Click OK, close the Services window, and restart your PC. After the restart, test Blender. If you're still having trouble, double check that your computer meets Blender's minimum requirements. Windows 10 or 11, a quad-core CPU, around 8GB of RAM, 4GB can work but is tight, a graphics card with about 2GB of VRM and OpenGL support, and roughly 500 MB of free storage. If your hardware meets those basics and Blender still won't open, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall Blender completely from your system, then download and install a fresh copy. Launch it again and you should be good to go. If this helped you get Blender running, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.